Are you afraid to make mistakes? Why do I fear making mistakes? Will it make me feel less as a person? Welcome, my dear friends, to our Tuesday's live video series. This is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise. Atelophobia is an extreme fear of imperfection. Someone with this or disorder may be terrified of making mistakes or go to great lengths to avoid new situations because they can't guarantee that they'll succeed. It can lead to depression, anxiety, panic attacks, and a negative outlook in life. Embarrassment is the cost of entry. It's okay to look dumb. It's not okay to keep being dumb. There is a difference, and it's totally all right not to look perfect all the time. Let people judge you. It will never change who you know you are. You know what? I struggled with this for years until I realized that it's me that is more important than being bothered by what other people think about me. We are often restricted to do what we really want in life. We think about others first rather than thinking what's best for us and our future. Why? Because we want to please others, so we feel we belong. My entire self-worth relies on how others view me, and I spiral into shame when I make mistakes, and it feels like the end of the world to me. I'm trying to improve, but still it makes me really anxious when I find others making a fool out of myself. I'm extremely self-conscious. People who never make a mistake tend to never show flaws, which can show people your character. It's the flaws that truly make us who we are, and that helps build friendships. Mistakes can have tangible consequences, such as loss of opportunities or relationships, which heightens what? Anxiety around making them. Some cultures emphasize achievement and success, fostering environments where mistakes are viewed negatively. It is important that we try and stop thinking about mistakes as a bad thing and approach them from a growth mindset. There's nothing wrong with making mistakes. Everyone makes them. That's partially how you get better and improve. A key component of learning is making mistakes, receiving feedback about what went wrong, understanding what happened, and fixing it. Anyone who is or was a giant in their field, like Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Tiger Woods, and others, has gotten where they are, at least in part, with an incredible amount of practice and mistakes that they've learned from along the way. I have not failed, said Thomas Jefferson. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities that foster growth and self-improvement. Each misstep can provide insights that enhance resilience, adaptability, and wisdom. So don't feel bad when you make mistakes. Embracing mistakes allows individuals to refine their skills, reassess goals, and develop a deeper understanding of themselves and their values. Every mistake you make is a stepping stone to success. Ultimately, it's through navigating challenges and overcoming setbacks that we often become stronger and more capable versions of ourselves. So if you have a dream that you really want to fulfill, just do it. You might experience some ups and downs, but the most important thing is you're building that strength to do more as you face greater challenges in life. Remember, these challenges are your opportunities for a better future. Again, the most important in this journey is what you have become. It's the new you that's evolving. By the way, my friends, I would like to inform you that I will stop momentarily the live video every Tuesday. I will surely come back when it's the time. Again, thank you so much for all your support. Again, this is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise. Have a blessed day to all.